Hey, what's up guys? Josh back with a quick video, working on the Skyline again. Kind of fixing up a few little nitpicky things. These cars, you know, are of course at least 25 years old. They come in the US. A lot of the trim pieces are showing their age. And you know, nothing that's, you know, too serious, but it just kind of bothers me. And thank you to the Nissan Heritage program. They're remanufacturing all these trim pieces, as well as just about anything else that you could desire for this thing. Here's just kind of a look to see the condition of it. I went ahead and already replaced the other side. So this comes as a 4-piece kit. The bottom piece, this stays, but the 4-piece kit includes this little lower right piece, as well as the trim that goes all the way up and around. And you can see the difference, the aged versus new. It just looks nice. This little touch of class. These are the model numbers here. And thank you to Nissan of Tacoma. They provided all the parts. They stock just about everything for your Skyline. If they don't have it, they've got the parts catalog. You can talk to their parts guys and they can get pretty much anything you want. Alright, let's open up this other trim piece. Show you what it looks like. So that's it there. And this is the other top trim piece, and it even comes with a little metal connector that the two rubber pieces slide into. So we'll put it on time lapse, and we'll get this thing torn out and reinstalled. There is a this little connector just kind of slides into there, so you can kind of slip it out in a way to pop it out. Otherwise you could damage this piece, which would be a whole other piece to buy. The kit comes with the 4 pieces, so the 2 I showed you plus the 2 on the other side, and it's still very expensive. I think it's like $150 or $180. So we'll clean it up and do the reinstall. And I'm just cleaning the gunky edges up off the glass with a little Scotch-Brite, so you can kind of see the edge where the trim was sitting. I'm just kind of scuffing that off, clean that up back to bare glass, so when the trim is sitting against there, you won't see any of that nastiness. It'll look like brand new. Alright, and here's just a quick look at the old one. You can just see how dry it is. Didn't really move much. It's just super stiff, all dried out, just like most of the other stuff on the car. The one downside of buying a almost 30-year-old car is stuff needs to be replaced. It needs to be repaired, and it needs a little TLC to be brought back to its original glory. But that's the love and joy of having a Skyline. Products. Anybody that's thinking of replacing the trim piece, and mine was missing this one in the top little connector piece there. Where is it? Right there. So it always bothered me. There's a big gap. But for anybody that's thinking of replacing this kit, if I would recommend it, absolutely. It looks really nice. Makes the car look a little bit newer and a little bit fresher. Just a clean look. So anyway guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow.